Hello, thanks for joining us again today. I'm John Schoenhals, Pioneer Field Agronomist in Northern Ohio, and I'm here with Glenn Newcomer and Jesse Haver with Ag Tech. Glenn's been a seed sales rep with Pioneer since he graduated from college, and we're really fortunate to have him on the team. We're in the field of Plenish soybeans that he's raised this year, and Glenn, maybe just give us a little update on the season and how things are looking.
This field of Plenish was planted in April. It's something that we typically don't have the opportunity to do here in Ohio, in this part of Ohio at least. And so these are some April planted Plenish soybeans. It's an exciting new variety that we're growing for the plant. We've been growing seed for Pioneer for 28 years now, and this is an exciting variety that is performing extremely well for us this year. It's a variety that has just looked outstanding the entire growing season.
Chastitie, one question I get from a lot of my customers this year when looking at soybeans varieties to plant for next year is how does the yield hold up to the other varieties that Pioneer has to offer this year?
Definitely, Jesse. I think it's a great question. So we definitely want to capitalize off from that 65 to 75 cent premium and that $3 bonus that per acre. So we want to make sure that these beans yield as well. So there's 6 outstanding varieties in the Plenish lineup that really originated right here in Northwest Ohio out of our Napoleon, Ohio breeding station research location. So the particular variety that we're standing here today, just as one example, and all of them are A-series products. And this product in particular, the 34A59, is a peaking source for cyst resistance, excellent on white mold, and also gives us stacked phytophthora, and excellent on SDS tolerance as well. So you can't ask for a better variety.
Glenn, another question I get from a lot of customers is what's the difference? How do we handle these beans as far as planting them in season and harvesting at the end of the season, being this is a specialty crop?
I think for a person that wants to move into identity preserved products, this is a great way to start because even though it's not the same level of criteria maybe for seed production, the requirements of this probably are a little bit less. And so I think it's a great opportunity for a person to understand and experience the value of receiving a premium for growing a crop like this.
So Glenn, we're in a beautiful field of Plenish soybeans. Tell us about your weed control system, as these are only glyphosate resistant soybeans. How did you do it?
I think when you look at the changing weed spectrum that many farmers are experiencing, we recognize that, and we made a commitment last year that all of our soybean fields have a pre-emerge product. To get ahead of the curve and to be able to control some of those weeds that are challenging, especially in a Plenish program where we're trying to maintain that identity, in purity and cleanliness, because of the quality of what we're striving for. We believe there's extra value in that pre-emerge program, and we just followed up with glyphosate in here as the program, and then sprayed it with an insecticide and fungicide.
I think Glenn really summarized the approach to keeping a Plenish field of beans that's Roundup ready, clean from weeds. It takes a systems approach. So it takes an effective residual herbicide, and there's lots of options and mixes to target what specific weeds are on the farm. Water hemp and mare's tail pose additional challenges opposed to farms without the pressure. So we have a residual herbicide down, preventing weed germination. We can clean up the field in crop with Roundup or other post herbicides if need be. We keep that plant healthy with a fungicide and insecticide, and this field's a great testament to what we can achieve following that approach. So if you'd like to learn more about Plenish system and how to make it work on your farm, I encourage you to talk to your Pioneer sales rep soon, or Chastitie or myself. Thanks for watching. Stay safe this fall.
That concludes this Pioneer Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.